We filmed this back in 2012. It was an amazing experience. If you get the chance to visit Blackpool Zoo, we'd really recommend it. Alyona, who is a rare Amur Tiger, is still alive and well at the zoo and living out her senior years there now. Anyway, on to the footage. Thanks for watching.
But if you set them in quite well, since she's actually only been here just over 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Where was she before? Holland?
In Holland, yeah. When Zamba first came, it took him months to settle in before he'd do things like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Straight away, especially this year.
Would these ever mate, breed, or?
Yeah.
We're hoping to. Do you reckon this is a bucket? Yeah, she's just the door.
That's what you're hoping.
Yeah, we've had cubs off them before. Most went for the Asiatic, which are more endangered, and the ones that have got them are usually safari parks,
Right.
or zoos, and they've got quite big prides anyway. So.
We're going to get angry.
That's it. Yeah,
Wow.
so basically, if you're not careful, you'll breed them and you'll struggle to get rid of the young.
Really?
And then you've got to make the
There's
decision
too
then,
many around.
yeah, if you can't keep them
Yeah.
and nobody else can have them,
Yeah.
what do you do with them? And some places end up having to put their baby lions to sleep because of that reason. So we only tend to breed them if
When you
we know we
go
can.
somewhere.
So we have actually just taken Gillian off her contraception
Right.
because we had to have one of our girls put to sleep last year because we had a tumour. So we could now house one.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. We do appreciate any likes, and of course it's always free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we do hope to see you again soon. Bye.